Now we will understand the meaning. Even a mannequin in rags can be useful object. Let's use the brain God has given us. It is saying that some useless thing can be useful if you use your brain. The scarecrow in this poem, a scarecrow is telling about how in winter he bows, though I bow my head. During the winter, he bows his head beneath the driving rain, the rain beating down forcefully. The north wind powders me with snow. The north wind is sprinkles with powdery white snow and blow me black again. At midnight, beneath the maze of stars, during summers, the sky is very clear. I flame with glitter rhyme. I flame means I glow with glitter, a coating of particles of ice. A stand above the stubble stair. He stands above the hard stumps and stalks of plant left after the crops being cut. You can see these plants, they grow up to this height. Now, as male at morning prime, but when that child called spring and all, his host of children comes, scattering their buds and dew upon these acres of home. We know that during spring there are new buds coming upon and dew settles down on the grass. So he's talking about how the new buds are coming and dew is on the grass in his home. Some rapture in my rag wakes. Rapture means great happiness with delight. This dew comes into his rag wings. I lift void eyes and scan. So during that, all this time his eyes were closed, but now he opens up and see that the sky for crows those raving foes. Ravening means describing the crows that comes to eat the grain, and foes means enemy of my strange master man. So who's the enemy is the crows, that who eats the grain is the enemy. I watch him striding lang behind. Striding means proudly walking with long steps. He's talking about the person or the man. He watches him walking thin. He's a thin man, his master. He walks with pride on his land. His clashing team and no. Team is oxen pulling a plow. Soon will the wheat swish body high. Swish, the sound makes by the wheat plant as the wind blows through them. Where once they were sterile snow, where there was nothing, soon I shall gaze across a sea of sun begotten grain. So where there was nothing first, then there was a land of grain, which my unflinching watch heed sealed for harvest one again. Unflinching watch means steady and constant, watch alert. Heed means has sealed, guarded the crop and kept it safe and ready to be harvested for once again, by Walter de la Mare.